Hello, I'm Basha and this is my intelligent CLI tool UniShell. So let's run this program. So let's see what commands it offers. Here you can see that it has natural, direct and system commands with some features mentioned. Now let's talk about natural commands. The natural commands and direct commands both are same, but these natural commands are for simple and plain English commands. So let's prefer that simple plain commands. Now now I want to generate a bubble sort algorithm using Java. Here I give some typo. Let's see this AI will work or not. Here I am using Hugging Face AI. See, it's generating bubble sort. Even you type the typos, still it's finding the bubble sort. Okay, now it generated bubble sort algorithm. Here you can see that the Java file. Now you can say that this is a template or snippet, but it's not snippet. It's a production ready code, which means you can run this code directly here. But we have to compile it first, right? But this UniShell provides direct run command which automatically compiles the Java files if it is not compiled. Here I mentioned some error, so let's see what happens if we have some errors. And I am running it. See, it's compiled and give some error, but in last there's something right. This is what we are doing, AI analyzing. So when we have some compilation errors, the AI will automatically analyze the errors and give the explanation. So let's wait for the explanation what it gives. So simply here it says that bubbles are two bubbles are but capital B. So let's change the class name. Okay, and I saved and the error is now not appearing. So let's rerun this file. Now see it successfully compiled and asking for number of elements. I gave number of elements. Okay, so here you can see that it is successfully sorted. So let's generate some complex files. Now I am saying that generate all sorting algorithms using this time let's use Python, but we have to do some complex things. So let's add Java also with some file path. So let's see this path in desktop CLI projects. In desktop CLI projects, wait a second, there's no CLI projects. So what happens if I type enter? Let's see what happens. The folder is not there. Still it's generating. Now you can see that CLI projects. So it means if you give non-existing path, then it will automatically creates the path and create the file in that path. So let's wait for Python program to be completed. Here it's working on this. Now the Python program is completed and it went to create Java file. Okay, it successfully completed the program. Let's see the file name. Okay, here it is creating has all sorting algorithms, but final file name is this. Why? Because in Java the class name should be has file name. So it automatically converts the file name to the class name. So this is the code in Python file and you can check that CLI projects also. Here you can see the two files generated by the UniShell. So let's run this Python file. Okay, okay. Here I am getting file not found because I have not mentioned any extension. Now see, now it successfully run the Python program and it asks for some arrays. Let's give some array. Okay, now it asking for sorting method. I will choose heap sort and you see that the array is successfully sorted. Suppose I have some doubt in same Python file all sorting algorithms. You can simply ask this UniShell to explain that. It will automatically read the file and give the explanation. So let's see what it will give. First it gave the code of that file. Now here you can see that AI is analyzing the code. Here you can see that UniShell gave the explanation step by step. First it gave sorting algorithms, next main function. After that error handlings. Like this it explained everything with the edge cases also. So this is how this UniShell works. And in the and you can track the sections also by exiting the UniShell. Here you can see that what you have done in this. And finally, this UniShell represents the future of programming tools, intelligent, efficient, and human-centered. It proves that with smart design, we can eliminate the bored parts of development and focus on creativity and problem solving. And this is it. This is my program.